Uma muthenya uihuirwo ni maithori mwena wa Luanda County ya Vihiga, family imwe igithika anake aria nyina omwe aria moragirwo mirurungano-ini ya kung'athiria thirikari mwena wa Kisumu, kuria mathiite gwetha umatho na gukinyaniria iroto ciao cia miaramano. Atongoria a ngwatanĩro ya Azimio-OKA Kenya Coalition riu maugite ati makiria ma andu 70 nio moragirwo mirurungano-ini ino ni maabitha a borithi na marorota thirikari ni kuhithĩrĩra uma wa mathabu ma ikuũ itemi-ini ria kugitira atongoria a ruhonge rwa ugitiri aria magiriire gutungio rucamio rwa watho.
And then he obsessed with saying, oh, my next responsibility is to take Raila to Bondo. Raila knows how to get to Bondo. I don't need Ruto to take me to Bondo. But what he's done is criminal. These people's hands are full of the blood of innocent Kenyans.
Na mmewapa hizi bunduki na risasi wawalinde ninyi na mali yenu, sio kuwaua. Na ndio sababu tangu jana kama wanaazimio tumesema huyu mtu anaitwa akome, lazima akome kuwa IG wa Kenya, sababu hafai kuwa kwenye hiyo ofisi.
Na ule anajiita rais wa Kenya anasema, anaambia polisi, thank you very much for doing a good job. Umeona mtu ambaye yeye anajiita kiongozi na watu wake wameuawa, na wale wamewaua anasema you have done a good job.
Atongoria a Azimio no morotete kanitha ni kwaga murugamo murumu wa kugiriria ngero iria ciatongirio a Kenya mirurungano-ini ino.
If the church cannot condemn the killing of Kenyans by police, 72 counting, then we start getting very worried about the church.
Speak out, even if a good part of you has already gone to bed with the regime in power. We want the church to remain steadfast, if only to be seen to be on the side of the people.
Ngwatanĩro ya Azimio inyitirire ati no nginya o itata ria thakame ria itirwo na njĩra itarĩ na kĩhoto rĩrĩhĩrio kũringana na watho wa gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ kana wa igoti-inĩ ria ICC.
We've agreed, yes, we can talk, but we'll only talk so long as there are conducive environment for talking. We have also said we do not want a share in Kenya Kwanza government. We do not want handshake, hands which are tainted with the innocent blood of our people. We will not touch those hands.
Thutha wa kwambika kambe Nyanza na ithũĩro ria bũrũri, mĩhang'o ya macaka ya mandu aria moragirwo mirurungano-ini muthenya wa kerĩ kiumia gĩũkĩte ikarorio mwena wa Ikamba-ini, kuria kĩhĩri kĩa arũmĩrĩri a ngwatanĩro ĩno moragirwo na angĩ makĩgurario kaunti-inĩ cia Machakos na Makueni. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.